If you want to work in the equine industry, then get qualified to do just that at Coleg Gwent. Our Usk campus, situated in the beautiful Monmouthshire countryside, is fully equipped with everything you'll need to get your career off to a galloping start. We are also a British Horse Society approved exam centre to intermediate instructor level, the only one in Wales. The college boasts international standard indoor and outdoor arenas, a compact, well-equipped equestrian unit with a stable yard for your riding and practical sessions. We also have a well-qualified, experienced team to supervise and support you whilst undertaking yard duties and work experience. We offer a range of full-time equine courses from level 2 up to degree level, as well as a range of British Horse Society part-time courses. You'll study topics including riding on the flat and over fences, husbandry skills and health, equine nutrition, equine science, and reproduction. Some of our courses also include field trips, stud tours, guest speakers and workshops to broaden your learning experience, as well as on-site events and competitions to challenge you. With practical learning giving you real-world experience alongside written assessments, once completed you'll be ready to hit the ground running when looking for employment. Find out more about our equine courses via our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.